This is the statue of Tirot Sing Syiem of Hima Nongkhlaw. He fought against the British in the early 1800s but died in Dhaka in 1835, 17 July. Today, the 17th July commemorates his 186th death anniversary across Meghalaya. This statue was unveiled today, the 17th of July in Mairang, West Khasi Hills, which is also the headquarters of Hima Nongkhlaw. To the Khasis, he is a legendary king who fought against the British might and did not give up even when he was in prison. One of his famous quotes was, "It is better to die as a king than live as a slave under the British colonialism." Tirot Sing will remain an inspiration to many who would be standing against truth to power, against the injustice that we are facing every day.
Hima Nongkhlaw ki khat sao pra kenda renti ki pateng jongka hajing long shi sur hajing long shi da pi piang yu sa het ling ba jing ya te lok shirta Henry Posi ki juban nella da jeng syukur bah